Okay, with this we have come to our support and resistance strategy, and the first one being double top strategy. A lot of people call this M strategy also. What is M strategy? It is basically saying when the price action candles, when they are going up, they face some resistance here and it takes a sharp reversal from here. It comes down, takes support somewhere here, and again when the price action candle going to test the same resistance, and from here it reverses again. This is our trade setup. And we wait for a trigger to happen. Because of the strong resistance, the second time the price action candle has taken reversal from here, failed to break this resistance, and it has taken a reversal from here. Now the trade setup has been created. We wait for the trigger. And what is a trigger? We wait for two red candles. Once we see a confirmation of two red candles, we enter the trade. We enter the trade with the quantity prescribed as per position sizing. We'll let you know what is position sizing, and we start with the trade. Exit, we will exit when we see any support or resistance. Just before support or resistance, some support or resistance, we will exit. Stop loss we will keep somewhere here. Somewhere here we'll keep the stop loss behind the barrier, and we will trail the stop loss. Exit can also be done when we achieve risk to reward ratio 1:2 minimum. So what is risk to reward ratio? We will learn this in coming slides also, but as of now I want to tell you, touch on this. Whenever you put a certain stop loss, like for example you're putting 8 rupees, 8 point stop loss, so risk to reward says at least 1:2 risk to reward ratio you should take. So if you're putting 8 rupees or 8 points as a stop loss, 16 points you have to take as reward. If 8 rupees is you're ready to risk and ready to lose, you should be getting 16 as reward back when you close your trade. So this is 1:2 ratio. You can exit here also, or if your trailing stop loss hits. Yeah, these three things. One quick clarification. When I say exit before next support or resistance, this is just a format in which I have written. So it is like a common sense. You have to understand what will come. When market is going down, support will come, right? And when market is going up, the resistance will come. So just before the sensitive line, when market is going up, if some resistance comes, just before that exit. And when market is coming down, just before the sensitive line, which is support right now, exit, because there is a possibility that market might turn from here or break out or sideways happen. Remember the three charts I showed you? Yeah. Okay, here is a double top strategy. We are looking at Nifty 50 indices and 3 minutes time frame. Whenever you see such a setup forming in your charts where the price action candle is taking a sharp reversal and it is taking support from somewhere, and again the price action candle is going up to test the same resistance, this is a formation happening for double top strategy, and they're very effective strategies, and we can take good points out of it. How to enter? When you see the failed attempt on the second time, you see the failed attempt by price action candle, they are not able to break the resistance here. So this is a setup, and we wait for our trigger, and our trigger is two red candles. When the two red candles are formed, we enter on the third candle here, and from here we trail our trade. We exit somewhere around 3 o'clock or if your next support or resistance is there. In this case, next, if there is any support which is coming, we close exactly before the support, and 1:2 risk reward ratio. This is also one of the exits. Like, if you are keeping a stop loss, I have already told you, if you are keeping a stop loss of 10 rupees, then you have to take 20 rupees as a reward. You can exit there also. How I do this trade? I trail my stop loss, and unless it is hit, I keep on going. I don't stop.